I was just recruiting a DevOps engineer for one of our clients, and I realized you guys may also welcome some of the hands-on tips. So if you are about to recruit a DevOps engineer, a cloud engineer, I have for you 3 tips right now. The first tip is to think about how to make the role more attractive. There are different ways how you can approach it. So for example, just think, what makes the job of a DevOps engineer really exciting, or a cloud architect, or a DevSecOps engineer? And how can you tweak the job description to be more attractive, more compelling? My tip number 2 is to try alternative search methods or sourcing tools, or even some very specific job boards. Have you considered, for example, very specific job boards on AngelList, or for example on Stack Overflow? If not, check it out. Don't just fall back to LinkedIn because it's easy. And my tip number 3 would be for you to focus on the right keywords. Some of the tools and technologies the DevOps engineers use include infrastructure as code. Okay, so if you search for a DevOps engineer, you may want to use the abbreviation IAC, infrastructure as code. And there are plenty of other examples. For example, the certified Kubernetes administrator, CKA, or the other certifications come with shortcuts, usually some abbreviations. Okay, so check out those shortcuts and use them when you are figuring out who to connect with, because people who have these abbreviations on their profiles, on their resumes, like, they may be the right candidates for you to connect with. And if you would like to dive deeper and become really proficient when it comes to recruiting DevOps and cloud engineers, if you have some roles from your hiring managers that you need to fill, then join my upcoming workshop. On June 18 and 19, I will work with you and other participants on different strategies and tactics so that you can fill those cloud roles and DevOps roles with ease. We will talk about search strategies, candidate attraction strategies. We will talk about the IT terminology. So join us if you can, June 18 and 19 in the morning. If you need more information, go to the website. I will include the link below this video so you can check it out. Okay, I hope to see you during the upcoming workshop.